Sunny Margade, and today I am going to show you the recipe of apple pancake. So let's start. So the ingredients of my recipes are 2 apples which are peeled and finely chopped, 1 tablespoon baking powder, some maida, some sugar, some vanilla essence, 1 cup warm milk, 1 tablespoon melted butter, 2 eggs. So let's start. Now I have a blender and I am going to put the apples in it to make a fine apple puree. Now my apple puree is ready. I am going to make the maida mixture. So first take some maida and 1 tablespoon baking powder. So we are going to mix it. Now my maida mixture is ready. I am going to take another bowl and put 1 tablespoon of melted butter. With that, I am going to add some powdered sugar. Two raw eggs. And 1 glass of warm milk. So now we are going to mix it until everything gets mixed. Now this mixture is ready. I am going to add the apple puree. We will again mix it. Now I am going to add the maida mixture little so that the batter doesn't have lumps. Now I am going to add the whole maida mixture. And we are going to mix it. Now my mixture is ready. I am going to add vanilla essence. And now we are going to mix it. Now my pan is hot. I am going to grease butter on it. And now we will take some of the batter and put it on it. We let it cook for 2 to 3 minutes. Now my pancakes, one side is ready. I am going to flip it. And let it cook for 2 to 3 minutes. Now my pancake is ready. I am going to transfer it to a plate. It is very delicious and tasty. Thank you for watching my video. Please like and share my video. And if you are new to my channel, please subscribe my channel. Till that time, bye bye.